Alright, you've finally done it. You've ordered or just taken delivery of your brand new Tesla. But before you hit the road and start showing off your new ride, there are some critical things you need to handle first. These aren't just your typical car setup tasks. These are Tesla-specific must-dos that can seriously impact your experience. So in this video, I'm breaking down 12 time-sensitive things you absolutely need to do after ordering or taking delivery of your new Tesla. From tips that'll save you money, to pro hacks that'll keep your car looking brand new, and to essential setups that'll make your life easier. By the end of this video, you'll not only be ready to drive, but also ready to maximize every aspect of your Tesla ownership experience. So let's dive in. First things first, download the Tesla app. This app is your gateway to the Tesla ecosystem. Sure, Tesla gives you those cool little key cards, but why fumble around with cards when you can just use your phone? It's quick, it's seamless, and it's super convenient. Plus, the Tesla app opens up a whole world of features beyond just unlocking your car. You can check on your car's status, control the climate, and even start it remotely. But it's also smart to keep one of those key cards in your wallet just in case your phone dies or glitches out. But honestly, the phone key has been rock solid, and I've been using it for a while and it's been super reliable. So get that app, set up your phone, and explore all the cool features Tesla has baked in. Delivery day is an exciting day, but don't let the thrill distract you from one of the most important steps, the delivery day inspection. When you first lay eyes on your car, take a moment to really check it out. You're looking for any imperfections, scratches, dents, or misalignments. Tesla has a reputation for quality, but every now and then something might slip through the cracks. Walk around the car and inspect every panel. Also, make sure everything fits together nicely, the doors open up and close smoothly, and there aren't any issues with the paint. Also, don't forget to check inside. This is where a lot of people mess up and regret not doing it. Look for any scuffs on the interior and ensure everything feels solid and well put together. This is your chance to catch any problems early on and have them addressed by Tesla before you drive away. To make this an easy process for you, I've linked the delivery checklist for the Model Y, 3, S, X, and even the Cybertruck in the description below. Let's talk about Tesla's referral program, which is honestly one of those things that's easy to overlook, but can seriously pay off if you know how to navigate it properly. You're about to drop a significant amount of cash on a Tesla, and with just a little tweak using a referral link, you can save $1,000 on that purchase. Now that's no small amount, especially when you consider how it can offset your initial costs, or go towards other fun Tesla accessories or even a charger. Also, Tesla is currently having a special 1.99% APR financing deal for the Model Y and the Model 3. By using my referral link, you'll not only get these fantastic discounts, but you'll also support this channel. One of the best part about this program is the simplicity. You don't have to jump through hoops or navigate complex rules. All you have to do is purchase a Tesla through a referral link. What's really cool about this program is that it constantly evolves, so it's worth checking back to see what's new. Tesla might tweak the rewards or change up the incentives, and you don't want to miss out on any of the opportunities. So if you're buying a Tesla, make sure to use a referral link, whether it's mine or someone else's, because why leave money on the table when you can be saving or earning something extra? Let's talk accessories. Owning a Tesla isn't just about the car itself, it's about personalizing the experience. There are a ton of aftermarket accessories that can make your driving life easier and more enjoyable. From phone mounts to trunk organizers and center console trays, the list goes on. These little additions can keep your stuff from rolling around or getting lost in the black hole that is your car's interior. But here's the thing, don't go overboard. It's easy to get caught up in all the cool gadgets and end up with stuff that you don't really need. Do your research and choose wisely. Now, lucky for you, I've covered the best Tesla accessories in other videos, so be sure to check those out. To help you navigate the vast world of Tesla accessories, I've created in-depth videos highlighting the must-have accessories for both the Tesla Model Y and the Tesla Model 3. You can find these links to these videos in the description below. And for those seeking hand-picked Tesla accessory recommendations, I've curated a list of my favorites, which you'll also find in the description below. Hey guys, if you're enjoying these Tesla tips and want to stay up to date with the latest on everything Tesla, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, tap that notification bell so you never miss a video. Your support means a lot. Here's something that'll make your life way easier: installing a home charger. There are a few options, with the first being a Tesla mobile connector, but it's more of an emergency solution. It only gives you about 3 miles of range per hour charge, which is not practical for daily use. Now, a popular option is installing a 240 volt outlet, which can charge your Tesla at around 33 miles of range per hour. But if you want to take it a step further, I personally recommend investing in a Tesla wall connector, and here's why. It'll charge your car much faster, up to 44 miles of range per hour charged, so you'll wake up every morning with a full battery or to the charge limit you have set. It's a bit of an upfront cost, but it's totally worth it for the convenience and the fast charging. Now, even with home charging, supercharging is something that every Tesla owner will use at some point. It's one of the best parts of owning a Tesla, having access to a massive network of fast chargers that can get you back on the road in minutes. The first time you use a supercharger, it's a bit of a revelation. You pull up, plug in, and watch your range jump in real time. It's especially useful for long road trips. The Tesla app helps you find superchargers along your route, and the car will even suggest stops based on your remaining battery. Just keep in mind that supercharging is not free unless you have those referral miles, so it's good to plan your stops wisely. One of the coolest features of a Tesla is its built-in dashcam and Sentry mode. This isn't just a dashcam for when you're driving, it's a full security system for your car. When you're parked, Sentry mode uses the car's cameras to keep an eye on your surroundings. If someone or something gets too close or tries to mess with your car, it'll save that recording and even alert you via the Tesla app. Your car has a built-in 128GB thumb drive to store these recordings. Just make sure it's properly formatted and ready to go, and you're all set. With Sentry mode active, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your Tesla is keeping watch even when you're not around. And the best part is you can view it live in your app when your car is parked. Now, as I mentioned, Tesla includes a USB flash drive for storing Sentry mode and dashcam footage, but it's pretty basic. If you want faster recording speeds and more storage, I personally recommend upgrading to an SSD. It's fast, reliable, and has plenty of storage for all of your footage. I'll link a few that I use and I recommend in the description below, so you can grab one for yourself. Sentry mode and the dashcam are constantly at work, recording any movement around your vehicle. More recording means the flash drive is continuously deleting and writing files, and this can be a shortfall of a standard USB drive. However, unlike a standard USB flash drive, an SSD offers faster read and write speeds, which means it can handle the constant flow of data from Sentry mode and dashcam recordings without missing a beat. Plus, with the larger storage capabilities available on SSDs, you'll have plenty of space for weeks or even months of footage without needing to clear it out constantly. Now let's talk about keeping your Tesla looking fresh. Tesla's paint job is beautiful, but like any car, it's prone to scratches, dings, or fading over time. To protect it, consider adding paint protection film, PPF. PPF is essentially a clear film that shields your car from rock chips and other minor damage. Now, professional installations of PPF can run you several $1000s, but there's a more budget-friendly alternative. I tackled this myself with a DIY kit from Amazon, which not only cut costs significantly, but also proved to be a straightforward process if you've got the patience. For those interested, I've linked the PPF kit I used in the description below. Now, another thing is ceramic coating. Ceramic coating is another popular option that people do on their cars. It's a chemical polymer solution that adds a hydrophobic layer to your car's paint, protecting it from things like bird droppings and tree sap. While it does not shield against chips or scratches, it does make cleaning much easier. Professional installations can be pricey, upwards of $1,000 to $2,000, but a DIY kit can tackle it for under $100. Check out my step-by-step video on applying a ceramic coating linked below. Now let me break down why ceramic coating is such a game changer. Unlike traditional waxes, which wear off after a few washes, a ceramic coating bonds to your car's paint at a molecular level, creating a semi-permanent barrier. The hydrophobic properties of a ceramic coating means water, dirt, and grime don't stick as easily. So when it rains, instead of water pooling on the surface, it beads up and rolls right off. This not only keeps your car looking cleaner for longer, but also reduces the risk of water spots and mineral deposits that can mar the finish. Now, the next thing is to learn some Tesla tips and tricks. One thing you can do is take time to read the manual. I know, no one likes reading manuals, but Tesla's is actually pretty useful. It's packed with information about your car's features, functions, and troubleshooting tips. Plus, you can access it right from the infotainment system, complete with animations and diagrams. A quick read through or just skimming through it can save you a lot of time and headaches down the road, and it'll help you get the most out of your Tesla. You can also check out my in-depth first time driving a Tesla tips and tricks video linked in the description below. Now finally, let's talk about one of the most talked about features in any Tesla, Autopilot. This is where Tesla truly sets itself apart from the competition. Autopilot isn't just a fancy cruise control. It's a full suite of driver assistance features that can make your driving experience safer and less stressful. When you activate autopilot, your Tesla can automatically steer, accelerate, and brake within its lane. It's perfect for highway driving, especially on long road trips where you might otherwise get fatigued. But remember, as advanced as it is, autopilot is not a substitute for being a responsible driver. You still need to pay attention and be ready to take over at any moment. One thing you'll want to do after taking delivery of your Tesla is spend time getting familiar with autopilot. Learn how to engage it, understand its limitations, and get comfortable with how it works. Once you do, it can really enhance your driving experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like. Seriously, it helps a ton. And consider subscribing if you have not already for more Tesla tips, reviews, and everything in between. Also, if you've got any other must-do tips that I did not cover, feel free to share them in the comment section down below. I love hearing from you guys, and it's always great to learn something new. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.